Salaam friends, in today's video we are making some Shinkafa or kwali, yes, as we normally call it KwenKwen. I started by adding my onions and my fresh herbs into my oil. I used dried thyme and sage in this recipe. You can go ahead and add any herbs or you can omit it altogether. After that, I added my tuna to it. You normally have to use the fresh smoked tuna, but I'm using this tuna because this is what I have available. After adding it to it, you let it fry for 5 to 10 minutes before you continue with the cooking process. Now it's been frying for a little bit, so I went ahead to add my stew base. This stew base, I have it recipe down below if you want to try it out. It's the all-purpose stew that we made together with you. Yeah. Which this all-purpose stew saves you time and money. Yes. So on this day, I was feeling for kwali and I didn't have the time to start everything from the scratch. So then I have this all-purpose stew in my freezer and I'm like, okay, let's do it. This kwali turned out to be very delicious. Like, it has the umami flavor to it and everything. After adding your stew to it, you fry and let everything marry itself. At this point, it was smelling so good. I went ahead to add some fish powder. If you have like earrings or any kind of fish at all, you can put it. At this point, if you even have a smoked mackerel, that will be perfect as well. Yes. And as I said earlier, cooking doesn't have to be like a systematic way. You just have to go with the flow. You go with what you have available for you. And yeah, after adding the fish powder, I went ahead to add my all-purpose seasoning. Yes, as you remember from making the stew, I told you guys you really don't have to add any salt to it. You just adjust it into how you want it to be. So over here, while the stew was cooking, I went ahead to clean my rice. Yes, this rice is very nutritious and it has good health benefit to it. But one thing you have to know about this rice is it takes a long time to cook. Yes, and you have to be very careful when cooking it. You have to like clean it very well. This is how my mom used to clean it. This helps you to be able to get all the stones from it and all the dirt from the rice. Yeah, normally if you want to go with the organic stuff, you really have to go extra miles to see. As you can see, I was able to get bunch of stones from it, but yeah, some of it doesn't have, but yeah, I went ahead to clean it very well, wash it so many times until the water was clear. Then I went ahead to add it in my stew. So after adding it in my stew, I'll go ahead to fry it a little bit before continuing. And as you can see, I'll be adding some spaghetti to it. So I went ahead to add some whole grain spaghetti here. You can go ahead and add any spaghetti or omit it altogether. So over here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to fry everything. Then after it's crispy, as you know, the secret by now, if you've been watching me, then we'll go ahead and add some water. But before then, I went ahead to add some salt to taste. And yeah, over here, I just added my water, stir everything to combine. Then I'll cover it to cook. Yes. Now it's been cooking for like 10 minutes to 15 minutes. I just come back to check up on it, cover it up, and yeah, you have to check it periodically because this rice needs love. Yes. And as you can see, it's looking so delicious, and oh my goodness, I remembered my mom when cooking this rice. Yes, came again to check up on it and it was looking delicious. I enjoyed this with my baby, and yeah, Typically, you would have to add some dawa dawa at this point, but I'm not fan of dawa dawa in a rice, so I omitted it. You can go ahead and add it. It's almost done, so I use the foil to cover it so that it can trap some of the heat to it, and now it's looking delicious. Oh my goodness, this rice, I devoured it. Yes. You don't normally get this to eat, but yeah. If you've been watching me till now, please like and comment down below if you're gonna try this, and subscribe to your girl. Share it to any person that you think this will be helpful for. And yeah, over here I was just serving myself. Why not? Yeah. So I served with some avocado, some salad, and some drumstick that I made the other day. Yeah. And look at this rice. Tell me if you guys are not gonna devour this rice. Yeah. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to your girl. Bye.